So here is a Speechify AI tutorial for beginners. Speechify turns text into natural-sounding audio, and is great for students, professionals, and anyone who prefers listening instead of reading. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to try Speechify for free and get started right away. After clicking on my link below, you will be brought to this page. Over here on the top, you will get to see all of these sections, starting with products, use cases, download, stories, company, and enterprise. And under company, let's go over to pricing. On this page, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, and they have free and premium. You can select between yearly and monthly billing. So go through the features of each of these and choose whichever one that you want. Now, let's go back and click on Try for Free on the top right, or you can log in if you already have an account. So over here, you need to select what do you want Speechify to help you with. You can select from any of these options, then click on Continue. Then, what do you want Speechify to read? You can go through these options and choose one or more of these options. So let's select Books, Documents, Articles, Stories, and AI Chatbots, then click Continue. Then, click on Continue on this page. Here, you need to select what you would like to achieve with Speechify, so choose all that apply from the options. And once done, just click on Continue. And once you're here on the next page, you need to select what devices will you use to listen. So for me, I will go with smartphone and desktop or laptop, then click Continue. Here, click on Continue again. Then, on the next page, you'll be prompted to select when do you want to listen. Again, go through the options and choose all that apply. And once you're done choosing, click on Continue. And over here, you'll be able to see all of these options that you can choose from for your voice. Just click on any and it will start playing a preview. If you like it, click on Continue on the bottom. Then click on Continue again. Here, you need to set your listening speed. You can use the plus and minus icon or use the slider right here. Then click on Continue. Then let's click on Continue again. On the next page here, you need to select how did you hear about Speechify. And once done, you'll be prompted to create your account. You can go with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or you can put in your email and password manually. I will go with Google. Here, you will get an offer for a free trial for the premium plan. Now, let's go ahead and click on Start for Free on the top right. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your payment method for your 7 days free trial. Just put in all of the details and click on Start your free trial. Once done, click on Start Listening Now on the bottom. So as you can see, we're now in the main dashboard. On the left here, we have Library and Podcasts. Here, you can upload any file that you want. Just click on Browse File and choose the one that you want from your device. You can also drag and drop the file right onto the web page. And as you can see, it's now processing the file. It may take a while. Once done, you can start playing it. And if you head over to the character option on the bottom, you will get to see this pop up from where you can choose from any of these voice options available. So let's go with this one. And after selecting a voice, you can even change the language if you want. Just go over to language on the top and go through the options from here. Then we have the option to clone a voice or explore all Speechify voices. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of voices to choose from. You have favorites on the top, and then there's professional, narration, conversational, educational, acting, and meditation. You can also use the search bar on the top right to search for any voice. And also there are these filter options that you can use in order to find your perfect voice. So after selecting your desired voice, just go ahead and click on the play button, and the reading will start playing.
Example. 1 Day 1 Topic: Introduction to Keyboard and Basic Keys Objectives.
So since it sounds a bit slow, let's head over to the speed section, and here, choose 1x to try out. Then click play.
To introduce students to the keyboard and its basic keys. To teach students how to locate and use the keys on the keyboard. Activities. Start the class by introducing the keyboard and its basic keys. Activities. Start the class by reviewing the basic
You
keys
can also click on any section and it will start playing from there.
on the keyboard from the previous day's lesson. Introduce the special keys on the keyboard, such as.
So this way you can play around with the speed to fit your needs. Now, if you go over to chat on the top left, you'll be able to chat with the AI about this file. You can also choose from these default questions based on your PDF. And as you can see, it's now clearly explaining it. If you go over to the summary section here, you'll be able to summarize the entire file. Just choose the depth that you want. After that, select the style that you want and what it is based on, all pages or select pages. If you click on select pages, you'll be able to choose your desired pages. Then click on create summary. And as you can see, it is now creating the summary based on the pages we've selected. Then we have this podcast option. Here, just type in your prompt or question and click on create. Now, if we go back, we have the option for quiz. If you click on quiz, you'll be able to set the number of questions you will be asked. Then again set what it is based on. And once you're done selecting, just click on generate quiz. And as you can see, your quiz is now being generated based on your selected pages or your entire PDF. On the bottom left, you can enable autoplay questions to make it read the questions out loud. And you will get options for the answers just like this. This makes learning so much more efficient and easy. And if you click on continue, you'll be taken to the next question. Same way, you can go through the quiz one by one and make your entire learning experience enjoyable. Now, let's go back and cancel the quizzes section. Here, on the top left, we have the annotations option. This is where all your annotations will be visible. Then, we have the thumbnails option. You can choose from any of these pages to set it as your thumbnail. Now, heading back to the library, we have the option for podcast and then text. Here, you can add a text by first putting in a title and then typing in your text right here. You can also use the dictate option to speak out your text. Then click on Save File. And as you can see, your text file is now being saved. Once done, it will start playing.
Hello and welcome. Take a moment to pause, breathe in slowly, and relax your shoulders.
On the top right here, you can click on Add Bookmark to bookmark this text. Then we have the Find Text option. You can use this to search for any text. Then on Settings, you can use all of these sections to customize your appearance, auto-skip content, from where you can choose what to skip. And then we have the autoplay audio. You can also enable or disable auto hide player and click to listen. This way, go through the options and customize it according to your preference. Now, heading back, let's select link. Here you can put in any link and it will read it out loud. After that, we have folder. You can create a folder using this option. And if you click on the plus file option, you will get the option to upload a file or import from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Let's select Google Drive for instance. Choose your Google Drive account and it will be connected. Now, let's check out the podcast section from the left panel. Here, you can turn anything into a podcast. Just click on Create a Podcast. Here, just type in a prompt to describe your podcast or paste a link. You can also select from any of these pre-generated options. After that, you can attach a file for reference. You can also click on Import File in order to add a file from your device. Then, you can use the dictate option and also choose the personality of the podcast. Go through these options and choose the one that you want. And on the right here, you can enable or disable web search, or just put it on auto and click on Create. And as you can see, our lecture is now being generated. It may take a while, so give it some time to load up. So our podcast is now generated.
There's a word that's been floating around the news cycle lately, maybe more than it has in nearly a century.
So as you can see, it turned out really well. You can click on this icon to change the view.
It's one of those words that sounds incredibly boring, like amortization, or there's a word that's been floating. It's one of those words that sounds incredibly.
You can also change the speed by clicking on this option and setting it up from here. Then click on play. Also, you can click on any section of the text and it will start reading from there. And if you click on the outline section on the bottom here, you will get this pop-up from where You can select any section and it will start playing from there.
There's something called the Harmonized Tariff Schedule. It's this massive book.
And if you want to share this episode with your friends, just click on Share Episode on the top right, and the link will be copied. You can then send it to anyone that you want. And as you can see, if we go back to podcasts, our newly created podcast will be visible here. If you have many podcasts, you can use the options on the top right here to sort through them. And that's it. That is the Speechify AI tutorial for beginners.